All right, here we are. Floor is complete, guys. Shower is all done. We've capped off the curb with this engineered quartz. Very small, low profile curb. This ivory quartz matches really well with our marble pan, as you can see. We're almost finished with the niche. We need to install our decorative marble right behind this mitered niche. It is looking very clean and seamless, as you can see. No trim edging around. So let's get right to it. Spray some texture up here. We're gonna paint the walls, paint the ceiling, and finalize this shower room. If you decide to install a stone shower pan, it is extremely important to properly seal grout and stone so that it doesn't discolor with product used in a shower. So we seal this pan 2 to 3 times. We'll be using 511 impregnator sealer. 'Kay, we are finally done. The shower is complete. It looks absolutely amazing. We're very pleased with the outcome of this shower. Our client is very happy as well. Let's show you what everything looks like, how everything turned out, what the final result is. Really quick, we'll start with the floor porcelain plank, 33% offset, 3-foot wood look, durable bathroom floor, new toilet, new baseboard, and here is the shower. By 5 marble pan, stone look, durable porcelain, 50% offset, folds up to the niche, along with the niche as well as above. So we have full starting at the pan and full tiles ending at the ceiling. We'll start over here, 12 by 24 rectified porcelain tile, 1/16 inch grout joints. We installed prism grout and sealed all joints, installed our new shower valve trim kit, raised the shower head. Let's move on down here. We have a low profile shower curb, Schluter, 3" by 3.5, capped off with an engineered quartz. Right over here we have the shower pan tile. Everything is symmetrical, same cuts, left, right, front, back. And this drain is installed symmetrical as well. Schluter drain kit, Schluter pan underneath this. So this is a tray marble. It's been sealed twice. So the stone is sealed, grout joints are sealed. This will never discolor. Again, full tiles all the way up to the sill. Let's take a look at this beautiful, seamless shower niche. Miters at the left, right, top, and bottom. For our deco, we have the same marble as the shower pan. So again, there's no trim edging around this. It is extremely clean and seamless. And that's pretty much it. A very good looking, beautiful, durable shower that will last a very long time. Well, that's it, folks. Thanks for watching the final walkthrough of the master shower remodel. We completed the hall, completed the master shower. It's time to move on to the next one. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Most importantly, tap that bell icon right down there so that you get notified when videos go live. I'll see you on the next one.